Let me talk about my experience with Antlara. From the minute that I started in the UK, dealing with Lewis was absolutely exceptional. Everybody been here to help me every step of the way. I arrived on the Monday, was greeted by Mac. Everyone likes to call her Big Mac. We had such an amazing experience. I was so nervous, like shaking in my boots nervous. These guys made the process absolutely relaxed, fantastic, exceptional. There's not enough words I can say that will actually put enough smoke to say how good that they was. I'm absolutely thrilled with my teeth at the end. They're glowing white, they look fantastic. Yeah, I recommend to anybody to go with Antlara to get your teeth done. The experience has been amazing.